Hey y'all, it's Leah. It's October 14th and it's almost 10:30 at night. And yes, I'm working late. First of all, this is my own fault. I take full responsibility. I'm the screw up. Okay. Little insight into self-employment. There are certain dates that are very important. And if you're like me who hate accounting, hate that aspect of being self-employed, you procrastinate. And so back in April, I filed an extension again to go and just kept putting off, finishing up my taxes. Now, it's not just my taxes, which are bad enough, okay? I had 70 pages of deductions, just to put it in perspective. But I also had to do my parents' taxes, and they have two trusts of which I'm a trustee, and I had to do those taxes. So kind of can understand why I just kept putting things off, right? Anyway, I want to make this as this video and check-in as a thank you to all the accountants and CPAs and number crunchers who are also burning the midnight oil tonight, because tomorrow is the deadline for the IRS. And so I'm here finishing paperwork and writing checks. Well, I was writing checks, and then I discovered I wrote my last check because I don't have any more checks. In my defense, I have a whole drawer full of other checks for the trust, for my parents, for just, but none for me. So it was pretty much a dull moment. So tomorrow, first thing, I'm going to the bank and we're writing 8, 9 checks. Now you say, why so many checks, Leah? Well, here's a little peek for those that are interested in actually becoming a real estate agent. There's this little thing that is just a great hairy inconvenience. So wherever I sell a property, I have to have a business license or pay an occupational tax for doing business in that county. And in some counties, if you sell it in the city, in a specific city, you have to pay them too. So you're paying all these people. So in this case, I sold one in Covington, so I have to pay the city of Covington some money, and then I also have to pay Kenton County. So those really kind of add up. This year mine are like $900. And wouldn't it be great if you just had to do a flat tax? And then you wouldn't have to fill out, or have your accountant, God bless Debbie, fill out all this paperwork that you also have to send in along with your check. So yeah, it's a bit of just a paper tsunami over here. So again, my own fault. I take full responsibility. I pinky promise never to do this again. So if you're setting up your own business, particularly as a real estate agent, do not do what I did. Okay, don't do it. And go thank an accountant today, because they got our back starting tax season. Thank goodness. You guys have a great evening. I'll see you soon.